Welcome to our spring fashion fiesta, where age is just a number and style is eternal. Today we're diving into an array of outfit inspirations specifically curated for the fabulous women over 50. Let's kick off with casual chic. Think lightweight layers, floral tunics over comfy leggings and accessorized with statement jewelry to add that sparkle. Transition effortlessly into business casual with structured blazers in soft pastels, paired with silk blouses and ankle-length trousers, perfect for those sunny yet breezy spring days. And for our art enthusiasts, we suggest a dash of creativity with bold prints and asymmetric cuts that scream gallery ready. But spring isn't just about the clothes. It's about embracing the new, which is why we're incorporating sustainable fashion choices. From eco-friendly brands to tips on reviving your timeless pieces, we're here to make fashion both stylish and conscientious. And let's not forget about our feet. Comfortable yet stylish footwear is essential. Whether you're strolling through a garden party or exploring a weekend getaway. Speaking of getaways, versatility is key, so we'll explore how to pack smart, ensuring you look fabulous with minimal luggage. DIY fashion hacks, layering mastery for those unpredictable spring days, and integrating wearable tech for the tech-savvy fashionista are also on our agenda. Plus, we'll touch on global fashion influences, showing you how to incorporate international flair into your wardrobe. And for our active ladies, we've got you covered with chic activewear that transitions from your morning walk to brunch with friends. To wrap up, we'll glance at beauty and accessory trends that complement your spring outfits, ensuring you're ready to bloom this season. Stay tuned, engage with us by sharing your favorite spring looks, and let's embark on this stylish journey together. Remember, fashion is about expressing who you are, and this spring, it's time to shine bright. As we wrap up our journey through the vibrant world of spring fashion for the fabulous over 50, we're not just here to inspire, we're here to ignite a community of style enthusiasts who believe in the power of self-expression through fashion. But this conversation doesn't end here, it's just beginning, and we want you to be a part of it. Head over to the comments section and share your go-to spring outfit or a sustainable fashion tip that's transformed your wardrobe. Got a fashion query or need advice on revamping your spring attire? Drop us a comment, and let's start a fashion revolution together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion insights, tips, and community highlights. Your support fuels our passion to bring you the best of fashion for the unstoppable, the elegant, and the eternally stylish women over 50. Join us on social media too, where the conversation continues with behind-the-scenes content, polls on your favorite outfits, and sneak peeks of our upcoming videos. Together, let's make this spring the season of unforgettable style and boundless creativity.